True with Guns America. We are at the 2025 NRA show, and we're at the Sig Sauer booth. So here at the Sig Sauer booth, this is a brand new product from Sig Sauer. This is called the Oscar 6 HDX Pro, and it is exactly what it looks like. This is a spotting scope, but this is not just any spotting scope. This is an image stabilized spotting scope. And I'm going to talk to you about what it does and how it does it for just a second. So if you are not aware already, Sig has been making these Zulu 6s. In fact, I believe these are the 3rd gen of them already, and these things are phenomenal. I almost can't live without these at this point. The image stabilization is so phenomenally good. But this is now, the same technology is now in this spotting scope as that you've come to expect from those binoculars. So I'm going to quickly run you through a couple things with this. It is a 16 to 32 power. You can see that you adjust the power on the eyepiece here. It takes 2 AA batteries, standard batteries. It gets 50 hours of runtime with those. This is how you turn it on and off. There's a big switch up here. You can see the on-off thing, but you switch it to on and the image stabilization kicks in. It also has an Arca Swiss plate built into it from the factory, and if you need to use your own plate system, there's a 1/4-20 spot in there you can put your own plate on. But this is how all spotting scopes should come from the factory, in my opinion anyway, so this is fantastic. Great. The glass in this is actually a big step up. This has got some phenomenal glass in it. It is very clean, very clear glass, but the stabilization that you're getting out of this is pretty incredible. So on 32 power, I can turn on this image stabilization, focus this, and I can hold this just as steady as if I was looking at it off of like a tripod. It is pretty insane that you can hold 32 power in your hand, and it is just rock steady. You can see exactly what you want to see. Now, this doesn't mean you can't still use it off of a tripod. You can. In fact, if you use it with the stabilization on, if you're getting wind chatter, if you're getting vibration, any of that kind of stuff, it will help remove that. So it actually looks at the motion that's happening, whether it's handshake or wind shake, and stabilizes that specifically. This thing is extremely smart. So we're definitely going to be doing a full review on this. You're going to want to check it out. But this is brand new, exciting technology coming from Sig Sauer in this new image stabilized spotting scope. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, if you think this is cool or not. I'm kind of blown away, to be honest with you, by how good this works.